Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Welcome back. New session class. Word meaning testing, my dear student. Merab Hussain Sabin. I say word meanings. A Bengali to English. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Are you ready? Good. Very good. Getting.
Sangbashon.
Getting.
Sangbashon.
Getting.
Sangbashon.
Read.
Pora.
Read.
Pora.
Now.
Ekhon.
Now.
Ekhon.
From.
Tal.
Good. Very good. Excellent. Died.
Mara gelo.
Dried.
Mara gelo.
Dried.
Mara gelo.
Introduction.
Porichoy.
Introduction.
Porichoy.
Introduction.
Porichoy.
Knowledge. Knowledge.
জ্ঞান.
Knowledge.
জ্ঞান.
Come back.
ফিরে আসা.
Come back.
ফিরে আসা.
Come back.
ফিরে আসা.
ফিরে আসা. Come back. A hot.
গরম.
Hot.
গরম.
Some.
কিছু.
Some.
কিছু.
Book.
বই.
Book.
বই.
King.
রাজা.
Milk.
দুধ.
Milk.
দুধ.
Lost.
হুম?
Lost. Haran. Lost.
হারানো.
Boy.
বালক.
Try.
খেলনা.
Try.
খেলনা.
Flower. Flower. Flower.
ফুল.
Steam.
পাতলা.
Stream.
পাতলা.
Steam.
পাতলা.
King.
রাজা.
Go ahead. Thank you.